This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap on a Monday. I'm Jack Lott on the James Dix Financial Network. The White House announced that the U.S. is on track to post a record-high budget deficit in 2009, thanks to the ongoing economic slump and to stimulus checks to consumers. The federal deficit will jump to $482 billion in the next fiscal year. Meantime, this year's deficit will fall to $389 billion. This according to White House data today. The $482 billion is $74 billion more than previously anticipated. Toyota lowered its global vehicle sales plan for the year to 9.5 million vehicles. That's down from 9.85 million as the sluggish North American market shows the Japanese automakers' weak momentum. Private equity firm Kohlberg, Kravis & Roberts & Company, which gained fame by taking over R.J. Reynolds' Private 2 decades ago, will go public on the New York Stock Exchange through a takeover of its Amsterdam-listed investment firm, KKR Private Equity Investors, LP. Sirius Satellite Radio said it plans to sell about $375 million of its common stock and up to $65 million more from time to time, concurrently with a private offering by XM Satellite Radio. Sirius also announced it expects 70% narrower loss for the second quarter. Economic reports that are scheduled to include the Case-Shiller Home Prices Index for May and the June Consumer Confidence Report. In earnings news today, Verizon Communications said earnings rose to 67 cents. That beat analysts' estimations, who forecast 64 cents a share. Tyson Foods saw a profit drop 90% for its third quarter. The company earned $9 million or 3 cents a share. Analysts expected Tyson to earn 12 cents a share. Kraft Foods reporting its profit increasing to $732 million. That's 48 cents a share. The consensus of analysts was for 50 cents a share. William Wrigley says its second quarter profit jumped 14% as higher prices and converting foreign currencies to the dollar led to big increases in sales. And Lorillard Inc. said its profit declined to $217 million, or $1.25 a share. Analysts were expecting $1.35 a share. Scheduled earnings out tomorrow. Here's some of the major names: Sony, Northrop Grumman, Colgate-Palmolive, Teva Pharmaceuticals, OfficeMac, DreamWorks Animation, Martha Stewart Living Omni Media, Electronic Arts, and U.S. Steel. There's a number of others. Those are some of the marquee names out tomorrow on the earnings calendar. Some of the stocks in the news today. Hewlett-Packard said that the European Commission approved the company's $13.9 billion acquisition of electronic data systems. Cameron International Corp. agreed to supply subsea production systems to a development program offshore Angola. And Motorola said it won a decision in the U.S. Court of Appeals federal court affirming that the company did not infringe a patent owned by the University of Texas system related to text messaging software used in mobile phones. And that is the Market Wrap on a Monday. I'm Jack Lott, and this is the James Dix Financial Network.